How to create a TikTok Canva. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Canva application. Wait for the application to load. Now you have reached in this interface. You will have to go to templates and over there simply search for TikTok. Then go to TikTok video template and a bunch of TikTok video template will appear over here, and select the template that you want or that you like. You can also create a blank TikTok video, and now all you have to do is replace this video with the video that you have or want in your gallery. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.